Well, good morning, everyone. There's Bruno, and I'm Mike, and welcome back to Mike and Bruno's Garage. I started filming this video just a few minutes ago and lost everything that I had on there because my fat fingers ended up pushing a button on the phone. So, yeah, here we are again. So, it was a bit chilly this morning. Winston's in with Mom right now. I did have to run this heater here just to kind of take the edge off. This unit actually works really well. It's the second season that it's being run. I haven't checked into that one yet, but I have gotten the little heater in my wife's craft room up and going and the fireplace. So this one's going to be, I'm not in a big hurry. I've got this, and this works extremely, extremely well. I have been up to one thing or two, and that is I got the saw switch wired. I've got a 10 amp plug, a 15 amp switch, and 12 gauge wire hooked up to the little motor, and she works quite well. So turn it on for you. And it sounds nice and quiet and smooth for what it is. And there you have it. So the table saw is all done, up and ready. I did pick up a few things, so let me get you in the stand and I'll show you what I grabbed. And I'll be right back. So as you can see, Bruno's kind of self-entertaining at this point. He doesn't get a few opportunities to chew on toys because Winston likes to steal them. So he's just sitting there on the step quietly chewing on his little bone that's got like rawhide doggy treat stuff inside it. So let's go over to the bench and I'll show you what I picked up. And let's go from here. Okay, guys. Last weekend, wife had a wellness show that she did. And, excuse me. So I did a little in-town garage sailing. And what I picked up, we'll get to this bag here of goodies, was this, I don't even know, it's out of Hammond, Indiana, manufactured by Time Saver Tool Corps. It's got patent numbers on it, but it sets snaps, clinches grommets, clinches rivets, removes rivets, and safely clamps fragile materials, or for some of us a little bit older, fragile. So inside here is some attachments that go to a pair of vice grips. It's actually quite interesting. I saw it and it was quite interesting. Instructions for for doing stuff. And then there's kind of a breakdown of the general instructions and how to attach these items to the vice grips and what kind of pins and everything. Now this says 1973. Out of Hammond, Indiana. And it looks like everything is here. I paid $7 for it. Mom's vacuuming right now, so if you hear Winston having a hissy fit, there's more attachments. In fact, they're still in the bag. I think they're for the brass O-rings that are in here. A couple more attachments. But it looks like everything is in here. I don't know if these are Eagle Grip. This vice grip has been specially checked for alignment and width for easy replacement of time saver attachments. Oh, hey, here we go. What do we got back here? Peterson DeWitt, or DeWitt Peterson, Nebraska Manufacturing Company, USA. So I have a feeling, gentlemen, that this is a pair of Eagle grips, or vice grip original. I mean, 1973. So, yeah. If you guys know more about that DeWitt, Nebraska, Peterson Manufacturing Company, did they make the Eagle grips? I'm not sure, but if they did, I scored pretty much a brand new pair of those. Cool. So yeah, like rivets, snaps. Here's the other, for like when you lose the button on your jeans, or if you snap stuff down to like tarps, ringlets for the tarps. So yeah, it's a pretty complete kit, and I picked that up for $7. Pardon me. This fall weather's got my sniffles in the sniffle. So yeah, I mean, that'll come in really handy if I need something like that. So for $7, I picked that up. Set him off to the side. So now that we can kind of play around with what's in the bag. Oh, before we get into that, my wife gets a lot of stuff from Shein, Temu, that kind of thing for her craft books, little charms and stuff. And she found this speed square. And it's, I think, probably aluminum. I mean, it isn't really heavy, but it's been cut out of, billet, and it looks like it's been cut out fairly well. So she picked that up for me. Thanks, dear. Appreciate it. All right, now at the same garage sale, I did pick up a soldering pen or soldering iron, a little smaller one. This looks like the tip's more for electronic work, which, and it does work. I tested it out, and it does heat up and melt solder, and so that'll come in handy. I mean, the cord's in real good shape, no corrosion on the plug, and you can tell it's been used. We got the bluing from the heat going on. So yeah, it does really well. I think I paid $2 for that. So we're at $9. Then I picked up for $4 a set of Wiha. I guess the Germans would call it Viha. But let's see here. Pardon my reach. He's got it taped together here. So for a set of, get her, oh fudge. Boy, oh boy. I don't know how long that tape's been on there. Okay. Yeah. Still sticky, whatever it was. What's up, bubbies? You done chewing on your toy? Huh? Yeah, mommy's vacuuming. That's why Winston's having a hissy fit. He calms down after the initial 2 minutes or so. But yeah, he... Okay. Bummer. Took off some of the printing. Yeah. We know what they are. Okay. So let's see here. Now, as you notice, they do have kind of a funny handle to them. That is because they are, I don't know if that'll show up for you guys or not. Let's see. Oh boy. They're insulated. They're insulating. And it's even got the printing in German too. Oh, non-insulating. Oh well. But I don't even know. There's like 3 Phillips. And then we got the little itty bitty teeny one. So there's 7 screwdrivers. This one looks like the printing's the best. Oh, they're non-insulating. Okay, my bad. But they're precisioned and a little knot, you know, so you can, you know, turn them. But from Germany. I have no idea when these were made. They're anti-static. But yeah, if you ever get kids' toys and you need to change batteries, these come in handy. So I could pick them up for $4. I didn't think that that was too bad of a deal. Hi, big boy. Yeah, it wasn't too bad of a deal, was it? So I picked those up. And then, at the same garage sale, I found relocate it. Now those handles will clean up with, you know, the tub of towels. Trust me, for 50 cents. Okay, guys, 50 cents. See if that'll show up for you. A Starrett, LS Starrett machinist rule. In really, really good shape. Now, some of the numbers are awfully small. LS Starrett. The model number is C305A. Yep. The LS Starrett Company, Athol, Mass. Tempered. Got hundredths and tenths. And over here, you have 32nds and 64ths. And look at that print on that. There's nothing wrong with this whatsoever. So that'll come in handy when I really, really, really need to be accurate. The case will clean up. Again, get out the old tub of towels. So I picked that up. 50 cents. 50 cents. I have a feeling that these go for a lot more. So I thought that was a pretty good find. And then, last but not least, for $3. So let's see, 7, 3. We'll go 3 on the soldering pen. It's 10, 14, 1450, 1750. I picked up a Klein Tools, catalog number's 19525, but it's a Torx. And it has the torque bit, you know, with the magnetic holder. However, it still has, come on. Plastic cap probably wasn't a great idea. All the other bits. So 5 bits, Klein Tools, handle's still in relatively good shape. It's probably been used with printing that's been rubbed off on it. But none of the tips look like they are in terribly bad shape. I don't know if you can see that, but they still even have some of the anodizing on it. So this has not been abused. Let's see what we got here. We got little knuckleball, a T20. This one's a 15, I think. T15, a T27, and T25. And the one inside is a T30. So for $3, I thought that was a pretty good deal too. So that's kind of what's been going on. Not really too much else. I'm going to probably start cleaning up on that scroll saw that, or that jigsaw that acts like a scroll saw. So for less than 20 bucks, I got the clinch fast kit, soldering iron, screwdrivers, the Starrett machinist rule, and the Klein Tools Torx driver. Yep, that was it. That was all in the bag. Oh, my wife got me a little patch. Schnauzers. I don't know, they're characters. Yeah, I just haven't really had much time to really do much of anything here this week, unfortunately. Just going to probably get the tractor ready for winter after I mow the grass one more time, and then start getting the snow thrower out of the shed, bring it in here, and we'll see what we need to. Shouldn't have to really get him to do anything. It'd be kind of nice to try out, for the simple fact that instead of the skid feet that go on the bottom of it, I got a set that has little wheels on it. So we'll give that a try and see how that works. I do have to run up to like Lowe's or Menards and see if I can get a new blade for the bottom part of the auger for, you know, scraping it up off the concrete. And so that's pretty much all I've been up to. Appreciate y'all stopping by. Let's go see what the old Bruno's doing. He's probably over here. There he is. There's our Bruno. Look at that, sitting there so regal. Huh. Let's get a little closer. There we go. Say bye to everybody. Huh? So thanks again for watching, stopping by. Please like. Thank you for all the new subscribers. Appreciate it very much. Keeps me motivated to keep on going. You're such a good boy, aren't you? Say bye to everybody? Say bye to everybody? No? Okay. Apparently he's camera shy. But thanks again, everybody. And you good boy. And as always, keep on tinkering.